Think a bond is going to eat your margin? Let's talk real numbers. When you start out on a credit-only program, you're usually looking at about 2.5 to 3% of the contract. So a $500,000 job runs somewhere around 12 to 15,000. That's the on-ramp rate. Here's how you bring that number down. You build a fully underwritten program with CPA financials and a track record, and the rate drops, and it tiers. The first million of work might run 2%, the next few million 1.5% or less. So the bigger you get and the stronger your file, the cheaper the bond gets on the margin. Licensed bonds are different. Those are a flat yearly fee, often $100 to $500. And a bid bond? Usually no charge once you have a program. Here's the mindset shift. The bond is not a cost. It is a line item you build into the bid, same as labor and materials. Price it in, and it pays for the work it unlocks. Want your real number? Run the Grit Bond cost calculator, take the scorecard, or call 801-505-5500.